The next thing that I recommend is a demonstration kit. We have a demonstration kit that will allow you to actually set up a temporary setup. This allows you to see the placement of lights, the light levels, and allows you to really showcase your ideas to your clients. You couple that with design renderings and drawings, you're at a high level of lighting design. You're off and running, and you could sell your first jobs, install your first projects, gain that experience, and I always recommend take photos. If you can hire a professional photographer, do that, but even taking good photos with your iPhone or your high caliber phone in the best resolution possible and sharing that online to your client base, to friends and family, so they could see the level of work you're gonna do. When one house is done properly with landscape lighting, everybody else notices it's automatically the best looking home in the neighborhood. So my recommendation, get started right away, talk to your customers, get a demonstration kit, get our starter kit, use our rendering service, and allow us to help you to grow your landscape lighting business.